The date command displays the current date. The echo command is used to print text to the screen. If you want to print the text to a file, you can use the output redirection operator, which is the greater than sign. You can use the cat command similarly, just that this time around an interactive space opens up for you to type the text, and after you have typed the text, you can use Ctrl D to exit, and whatever you have typed into that space will be saved into the file, as you can see on the screen. The output operator replaces the content of the file. So if there was a write-up inside the file and you are using the output operator with either the cat or the echo command, what was inside before will be replaced completely with the new text. But to retain what was in the file before, you can use the append operator to add more text or new text to the file. So the original text will be there, while the remaining text will be added to what was already in the file. See another application of the output redirection. This time around we are using it with the ls command. So we are writing the result of the ls command, which is used to list files and directories. We are writing the output into a file instead of the screen. A bash script is a file containing a sequence of commands that are executed by the bash program line by line. To create a bash script, we'll be using the nano text editor to create the hello.sh file. The first line of our script is the shebang, as you can see on the screen. So shebang actually tells the shell to execute this file using bash. So shebang represents an absolute path to the bash interpreter. We want our script to print hello coding errors to the screen. So instead of running it directly in the shell, we are actually writing it into a file. This is one of the ways to run a bash script. Notice what happens next. It tells us permission denied. Why? Because this file is not an executable file yet. This now leads us to the next section, file permissions. The chmod command is used to change the permission or access rights of a file or directory. Read allows viewing the content. Write allows modifying or deleting. Execute allows running the file as a program. Back to hello.sh. To make it an executable script, we'll use chmod space u plus x space hello.sh. Remember, in the previous slide, I said that u is for the user or the owner of the file. Plus means you are adding, then x means you are making it executable. So u plus x means that you are making the file executable for the user of the file. So when you do that, you'll be able to run that hello.sh file without any permission error. Now notice that the color of that hello.sh file has changed to green in the terminal. So it means that hello.sh is now an executable file, so it can be run as a program. See the output of echo hello coding errors on the screen. The same thing, the same result we would have got if we were to type it directly into the terminal. That's what we are getting with the script. If we are to write a script that prints today's date on the screen, we'll follow the same pattern. Echo the write up. Then, since date is a command, so we are going to use the backtick. So what you are seeing on the screen, right now is backtick. That's the one surrounding the date command is backtick. So our script can work with or without the shebang, but it's advisable to always put the shebang. Okay. All right. Check our YouTube channel, Zeros Before Heroes, for more of these lessons.